Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get sponsored by Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So you want to go ahead and log into your account, after which you can access your dashboard right here, under which we can find all the websites that we have. So go ahead and open up your website where you want to go ahead and get sponsored by. So if you have your websites, guys, that are successful with Squarespace, or you're maybe an influencer, somebody that has a lot of followers, you can get started getting sponsored. Basically, guys, to get sponsored and use your website as a sponsoring tool, and for affiliate marketing, you want to go to squarespace.com/affiliates. This is going to open up the affiliate marketing page where you can get started with growing your business with Squarespace and getting affiliated with them. So basically, guys, if you want to get started with earning on Squarespace, guys, and you want to become an affiliate, you want to click the start earning button. After clicking start earning, this is going to take us to this new page where we can get started signing up for our Squarespace affiliate program. So as you can see, we can provide all the information for us, for our company, for our agreements, and so on. You want to find everything, fill it out. As you can see, you're probably going to get an answer within 5 business days. But yeah, guys, keep in mind that it can be later. So you want to go ahead and fill this out and send in, and they'll give you an answer on if you've been accepted or not. And if you have been accepted, you can get started with posting your ads on Squarespace and making money. But yeah, guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.